Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we are taking a very deep dive into a piece of technology that genuinely feels like a glimpse into the future of mobile computing. For the longest time in the tech world, we have been forced to accept a very frustrating compromise when it comes to buying a new laptop. You either had to choose a massive, heavy, bulky workstation if you wanted the raw power necessary for video editing, 3D rendering, and heavy multitasking, or you had to settle for a thin, lightweight, ultra-portable laptop that was easy to carry but struggled to handle anything more demanding than basic web browsing and typing up Word documents. It always felt like you could never truly have the best of both worlds. Well, after spending some serious time with the machine sitting right in front of me, I can confidently tell you that those days of compromising are officially over. Today, we are looking at the GEEKOM GeekBook X14 Pro, a laptop that absolutely completely redefines what an ultra-thin computer is capable of doing. If you are watching this video and you are looking for the ultimate daily driver, whether you are a student, a business professional, or a hardcore creative, you're going to want to pay close attention to this one. And really quickly, before we get into the nitty-gritty details, if you want to check the current pricing on this exact model or pick one up for yourself, I have left a special link right at the top of the description below. Clicking that link helps support the channel and ensures you get the absolute best deal available right now. Let us start by talking about the absolute showstopper of the GEEKOM GeekBook X14 Pro, and that is its unbelievable design, premium build quality, and sheer unrivaled portability. The very first second you take this laptop out of its box, you're going to be genuinely shocked by how light it is in your hands. Coming in at a feather-light 2.2 pounds and measuring a razor-thin 0.23 inches in thickness, this is the textbook definition of an ultra-portable device. To put that into perspective, you can easily hold this laptop open with just one hand without any wrist strain whatsoever. If you are a college student who has to walk miles across a massive campus every single day, or a traveling business professional constantly rushing through busy airport terminals, or even just a digital nomad who loves hopping from one coffee shop to the next, your back and your shoulders are going to thank you endlessly for making this upgrade. You'll honestly forget it's even sitting inside your backpack. But please, do not mistake its incredible lightweight nature for fragility. GEEKOM has meticulously crafted the chassis of this laptop out of aerospace-grade magnesium alloy, using a premium CNC unibody design. This means the entire frame is carved from a single piece of metal, making it incredibly rigid, durable, and ready to withstand the bumps and bruises of daily travel. The finish is a stunning professional titanium gray that looks incredibly sleek in any boardroom or classroom setting. What I love most about this specific magnesium alloy material is that it actually feels warm and soft to the touch, which is a massive departure from the cold, harsh feel of traditional aluminum laptops. And perhaps best of all, for those of us who obsess over keeping our tech clean, this material is incredibly fingerprint resistant. You won't have to constantly carry around a microfiber cloth to wipe this machine down to keep it looking pristine for your client meetings. It simply looks and feels like a luxury top-tier device all day long. Now, what good is a beautifully designed laptop if the screen you're staring at all day doesn't completely blow you away? When you open up the ultra-thin, modern bezels of the GEEKOM GeekBook X14 Pro, you're immediately greeted by a breathtaking 14-inch 2.8K OLED display. With a staggering 2880 by 1800 resolution and a 16:10 aspect ratio, you're getting significantly more vertical screen real estate compared to traditional 16:9 displays. This taller screen is an absolute game changer for productivity. It means you can see more lines of code, read more of a PDF document, or view more tracks on your video editing timeline without having to constantly scroll up and down. Because this is an OLED panel, you're getting perfect, inky, deep blacks and infinite contrast ratios. Unlike traditional LCD screens that have a backlight bleeding through dark areas, an OLED screen simply turns off the individual pixels when displaying black, resulting in an image that is rich, vibrant, and incredibly lifelike. Furthermore, this display features 100% DCI P3 color gamut coverage. For the photographers, graphic designers, and video editors watching this, that means this screen is an absolute dream for strict color accuracy. The colors simply pop right off this screen with incredible saturation and realism. And with a brilliant peak brightness of 450 nits, you can easily take this laptop outdoors to work on a sunny patio or sit in a brightly lit office environment without constantly squinting to see your work. But GEEKOM did not just stop at making this display look incredible, they made it incredibly fast and smooth. This specific panel features a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Whether you are quickly scrolling through text-heavy web pages, dragging applications across the screen, or doing some light gaming in your downtime, everything feels instantly responsive and fluid. I promise you, once your eyes get used to a 120Hz OLED screen, going back to a standard 60Hz display feels like you're looking at a stuttering slideshow. Alright, let us shift gears and talk about what is sitting under the hood, because the GeekBook X14 Pro is an absolute monster when it comes to raw, unadulterated performance. Powering this ultra-thin, ultra-portable machine is the latest cutting-edge Intel Core Ultra 9 185H. Let me be very clear, this is not some watered-down, low-voltage mobile chip designed just to save battery. This is a high-performance, top-tier CPU specifically engineered to handle serious productive forces. Built right into the advanced architecture of this chip is a dedicated neural processing unit, or NPU, which is designed exclusively to handle complex AI tasks locally on the machine. Paired with the pre-installed Windows 11 Pro operating system and Microsoft Copilot integration, this laptop is a futuristic AI powerhouse. It can effortlessly blur your background and track your face on video calls, rapidly generate text and images on the fly, and significantly accelerate AI-supported tools in professional software like Adobe Premiere Pro and Photoshop, all without breaking a sweat or draining your battery. To perfectly complement that massive Ultra 9 processor, GEEKOM has fully loaded this specific model with a staggering 32GB of LPDDR5x RAM. And this is not just standard memory. This RAM runs at a blistering, ultra-fast clock speed of 7500 MHz. What does that actually mean for you in your day-to-day real-world usage? It means you will experience absolutely zero bottlenecks. You can easily have Spotify playing your favorite playlist, 50 heavy Google Chrome tabs open simultaneously, a massive data-heavy Excel spreadsheet running on one monitor, and a 4K video rendering in the background, and this laptop will not stutter, lag, or slow down for a single second. For your storage needs, you are getting a massive, incredibly spacious 2TB PCIe Gen 4 solid-state drive. That is an incredible amount of lightning-fast storage for all of your massive raw photography files, heavy 4K video projects, complex software applications, and even your favorite PC games. Boot times are near instantaneous, and massive applications launch the very second you double-click on them. Handling all the visual heavy lifting is the integrated Intel Arc graphics coprocessor, utilizing 8GB of shared DDR5 memory. While it is technically integrated graphics, the brand new Intel Arc architecture is incredibly robust and powerful, easily handling heavy layered photo editing, smooth 4K video editing timelines, and even some highly respectable 1080p gaming on the side when you want to relax.
Miraculously, despite housing all of this immense processing power, the GeekBook X14 Pro is specifically designed for extremely quiet operation. Even when you are really pushing the system to its absolute limits during a heavy render, the internal cooling fans remain whisper quiet, ensuring you will never be that person making a racket and disturbing everyone around you in a quiet library or a tense boardroom meeting in a quiet library or a tense boardroom meeting. Now, you might naturally be thinking to yourself, with a stunning 2.8K 120Hz OLED screen and a massive Intel Core Ultra 9 processor, the battery life on this thing must be absolutely terrible, right? Well, you would be completely wrong. In a feat of engineering magic, GEEKOM has managed to pack a massive 72 watt-hour battery right into this tiny 0.23-inch thick chassis. Thanks to the extreme power efficiency and intelligent core management of the new Intel Core Ultra processor, combined with the power-sipping LPDDR5x RAM, this laptop proudly boasts up to a staggering 16-hour-long battery life on a single charge. This means you can confidently leave your bulky charger at home, go to a full day of university classes or a grueling day of office meetings, and still have plenty of battery juice left over to kick back and watch a movie on the couch when you finally get home. But when you do eventually need to plug into a wall outlet, the GeekBook X14 Pro comes included with a highly portable 65-watt GaN PD fast charger. GaN, which stands for gallium nitride technology, means the physical charging brick is incredibly small, compact, and lightweight, so it will not weigh down your travel bag. It quickly and efficiently tops up your battery via fast charge, so you can spend less time tethered to a wall and more time getting your important work done. Finally, let us talk about the daily experience of living with this laptop regarding connectivity, audio, and crucial security features. The connectivity here is totally future-proofed for years to come. You get cutting-edge Wi-Fi 6E built right in, providing you with the absolute fastest, most stable wireless internet speeds possible, along with Bluetooth 5.4 for rock-solid